presenting a pre-owned 2002 Toyota RAV4. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with all-wheel drive and a 5-speed manual transmission. This Toyota has less than 241,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include window defogger, power steering, airbags, and power brakes.